Some local farmers in Frigyen village of the northwest region of Cameroon have been sensitized on proper agricultural practices by NASLA-AFRICA.
400 years. You know me say that fertilizer don't finish for down there. You never finish for down there. Now say the one way they down there no see get power instead now harm now for the crop. If you plant on top of that place where you don't put fertilizer, it will start destroy the crop now, destroy it. And now the more you continuously put that, so you need for the put that all time, you need for the put that all time for that place. For see me that crop, it do well. Will you follow me? Yes. Good. So now those things then they affect the soil.
The session that was organized by the organization Quarterly ROOTBIZ workshop was aimed at strengthening smallholder farmers with skills and tools to be able to grow more food.
So today we are having our workshop, a ROOTBIZ workshop. It's an outreach event that takes place every quarter of the year, and the objective of this program is to inspire more young people in agriculture while strengthening smallholder farmers with skills and tools to be able to grow more food. So specifically for this event, we are in Frigyen village, a community in the Mbengwei subdivision, Momo division of the northwest region of Cameroon. So the theme for this workshop, for this session, was to regenerate minds and to inspire farmers about the importance of taking care of the environment and restoring the already degraded lands.
The workshop saw the participation of 30 smallholder farmers in the locality who actively participated in the sensitization process by asking follow-up questions and expressing their difficulties.
As when you plant yam, you plant yam, good seed yam. Then when the yam the one come out, it give good eye. Then when you want to dig the yam for under, the yam just climb, make some small seed. And then for that seed, something that already enter inside the seed yam, inside the yam. So we don't even know where to be wrong.
My only the very well. Then when you walk the beans for the very time, the very period. Then at the time whether I want you to go wrong with the beans.
Each farmer was gifted a farm tool by NASLA-AFRICA, and they all showed their appreciation by singing songs.
Yeah, I just want to thank you guys. Thanking you for providing to us the tools for us to use in cultivating our farm and the knowledge which you guys have given us on how to cultivate the crops and in which season we are to cultivate it, and the means for the manure to put in our farm, that we shouldn't use all these stuffs like the fertilizers or any chemical that would destroy the soil. We should use natural manure to put into our farm. So I want to thank you people for that.
This program like this, it benefit me plenty because I will suffer the effect of tools where I feel work farm, like collars, like my woman them, they be feel am plenty where they no get home where they fit to work their farm. So at the glad plenty where they don't can give we our holes and give we collars, so that the work would go on well.